In this video, I'll show you how to add a redirect in Netlify. First, open your web browser, go to the Netlify website, and sign into your account. Then open the site where you want to add a redirect. Next, open your project in your preferred code editor. In the root of your project, create a file named _redirects if it doesn't already exist. This file is where you'll define all of your site's redirect rules. Now, add a redirect rule to the _redirects file. For example, you can redirect one page to another, redirect an old URL to a new one, or create a permanent redirect for pages that have moved. Save the file after adding your redirect. After that, commit your changes and push them to your connected Git repository. Netlify will automatically detect the updated _redirects file during the next deployment and apply your redirect rules when the site is published. Finally, once the deployment is complete, open your live website and visit the original URL to verify that it redirects to the correct destination. If the redirect doesn't work as expected, review your redirect rule, make any necessary changes, and deploy the site again. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a redirect in Netlify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.